The coronavirus has claimed its first victim here in the U.S. A man in Washington state died today, prompting the governor there to declare a state of emergency. More than 50 people at a nursing facility are being tested for the virus now. Now, no confirmed cases here in Alabama, but government leaders and healthcare providers aren't taking any chances when it comes to being ready for a possible outbreak. WVTM 13's Chip Scarborough has that part of the story.
Just 1 week ago, panic and fear were spreading across East Alabama over the possibility of patients with the coronavirus being transported to the FEMA Center for Domestic Preparedness in Anniston.
Our children, ourselves, this is a scary situation.
Fast forward a week, now there is fear about the coronavirus spreading among the general public. Doctors at UAB are watching the virus closely.
I would anticipate that if there were going to spread, we would see something in the middle of March that might start to be really significant, but that's a complete guess. And you have very sophisticated modelers who are looking at this, and I think all of us are kind of going in unknown territory.
There are steps you can take to be prepared for a coronavirus outbreak. Doctors suggest getting your flu shot if you haven't already. They also recommend the measles vaccine.
So what we don't want is panic buying, people going out and buying panic. Just take an inventory, see what you have, think of it like you would be stuck in your house for a snowstorm that would act maybe last week.
Doctors say there are infectious control facilities that can help contain respiratory viruses like the flu, SARS, and even coronavirus, pretty much anything other than Ebola. Jeff?
Chip, thank you. Meanwhile, a terrible week on Wall Street was capped off Friday by another dismal day. Coronavirus fears driving a massive sell-off. White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow urged investors to start buying stocks. Both the Dow, S&P 500 saw their worst week in almost 12 years. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropping more than 12% this past week. Stay with us as we follow new developments regarding the coronavirus. Updates will be available on air and online, as well as the WVTM 13 app.